What is up, people? We're here again. Another day, another pair of shoes. With the upcoming / recent release of the Mandalorian series, I decided that would be a good time to make a pair of Mandalorian shoes because I am a die-hard Star Wars fan. So even take a look at this, boom. There it is. If that doesn't say Star Wars fan, I don't know what does. Anyways, with that being said, I got some sketches that I drew up for these shoes. Mando, Baby Yoda. You can't tell me you don't want Baby Yoda on a shoe. So without further dragging this on, let's get into it. It's gonna look good. A pair of authentic Vans. It's gonna look spicy. Very spicy. Go. Woo! So we finally finished the shoes. They look amazing. They're gonna catch some eyes, get some people looking at them. Pumped with how they turned out. I'm very happy with the results. So guys, before I show you the shoes, I just want to say, leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe. Really helps me out and getting up there, moving up. I appreciate all the support so far. Also go follow my Instagram page at Lucki Customs to see all the different designs I've done. Share this video if you can, whatever will help. And without further ado, here's the finished product.